Hi, let's see what Google Drive is. It's basically a repository of all your documents which you can store in one place. The best part is you can access it across all your devices from anywhere. So how do you access your Google Drive? The Google Drive is part of your Google Apps account. It's completely free. Another benefit of Google Drive is you can create documents inside it, or you can store documents and also share it with anybody in your organization. The benefit is that you and other people can also edit the documents at the same time. So let's say you are creating a document where you need somebody else to also contribute in it. Rather than storing each version of the document and sending it to each other via email, just create it on Google Drive and both of you can view and edit at the same time. Another example is, let's say you're traveling. While traveling, you always need to have your documents with you. So it's best to keep a copy of all your documents on the drive. Somewhere, unfortunately, anything gets lost, you have a copy of everything. Let's see how to use Google Drive. So first, go to your email account, click here and go to Drive. So these are the documents that I have already created in my drive. Let me show you first how to create a normal Word document. Click on New and click on Google Doc. So in normal terms we call it as Word, here it's called as Google Doc. Once you click there, a new file will open up which says Untitled Document. Give it a document name. Let's say quotation for XYZ customer. Here you want to make a quotation for your XYZ customer. So you start typing the quotation. Basically whatever you need to do. Let's say once you're done with this, you want to share it with somebody to get their inputs on it. So rather than sending this via email, simply click on share. Enter the address of that person and you can choose whether that person can edit, comment or only view. Right now let's say can edit also, and you can say done. Once you're done with this, the other person gets an email saying that hey, this person has shared this document with you. You're done. One more thing to note is always whenever you type anything in Google Drive, it gets saved automatically. You don't have to manually save anything. It's all mentioned here, all changes saved in Drive. I'm going back to Drive. Similarly, I have created a Google Sheet called Inquiries. How do you create this? I'm going back to Drive, New Google Sheets. Going to the sheet. So let's say I have received certain inquiries for some trainings. So I have created this. The topic is inquiries, the name of the file. Here I have mentioned 1, 2 and 3 and all the details of the inquiries. So this way, once I share it, you could have multiple people putting in their own received inquiries in one single file. So anytime you want to check how many inquiries you have got in totality, you just have to check this one file. That's it. Going back to Drive. Similarly, you can even create folders wherein you can organize your files, and there are a lot of more other options as well. You can also create a Google form, which is a very powerful tool. Let me give you an example. I have created this form called Feedback Form for Excel Advanced. Once I create this form, I can see how it looks. So when I send this form to anybody, it opens up in their computer like this, and this way they can fill up the form and all the details I get inside in a simple sheet like this. Thank you for watching.